Welcome to my data stories, a channel which is dedicated to showing Power BI demos, which is include functions and the new updates. Today, I'll be showing a new update for June 2020, which is a phone emulator. So we go to the view, mobile layout. There we have our new update of the mobile layout. So as you can see, we got very fine grades now. So it's very easy to resize anything here. And secondly, you can see here, now we got the name of the card itself here. So we got all the names there. So that's very good updates there. So let's see another good feature which I like it a lot is that you can be able to put an image and lay up another image on top of it here, or even another object on top of it here. So let's say, for example, you have taken that logo there and we have another image there. We can just lay on top of that image again, on top of that, like that. And then we can get another card itself. We can now, because now we got the grids there very fine, we can space up this one. Just give it a few grids. And you can see there, it's very easy now. We got the space. We can add another one, giving it a space. And finally, we can add the Q&A, which I think is very good, especially if you want people to be able to query their data. So we give it another space. There we go. So as you can see there, so I'll just remove this one for the for the demo purposes to make it more neater. So as you can see there, it's very easy for us here now to be able to resize the card and to be able to lay another object on top of it here. So what I'm gonna do here, I'll just add another card here which makes more sense. Give a space, resize it. Again, resize this one. So this is just showing our gross profit and our total sales. So this is very good for the managers. A very quick look what's happening in the organization. So we do that, and then what we can do, we can pull this one a little bit on there. There we have the logo. And a bit of space. As you can see now, we got our new mobile app there. So that is what's been updated on June 2020. Go and check it out on the Microsoft website here for more details. Thank you so much for watching Power BI.